My name is Iva Hayes. I'm 29, and last Christmas Eve, right as the catered salmon hit the table at our family's Tahoe chalet, my brother stood up with his crystal flute and turned me into the evening's entertainment. "We've got 3 kids," he toasted, grinning at the packed room of aunts, cousins, and investors, to build empires and once our favorite charity case. Laughter rippled out like fireworks. Folks paused midair. My sister chimed in, "Yeah, Jordan's the one we passed the hat for at holidays." My thrift jacket suddenly felt too tight, my scuffed boots drawing stares across the linen tablecloth. Dad chuckled. "At least she's consistent, always needing a handout." No one rushed to my defense. I gripped the silver locket from my late aunt under the table, its etched wings biting into my palm, stood without a word, and slipped into the snow-whipped night. No one followed. But 7 days later, their empire started crumbling at dawn. Back in my cluttered Renault loft that night, echoes of their roast wouldn't fade. Brother Ethan, the real estate hotshot with condos from Vegas to Vancouver. Sister Brooke, the influencer mogul raking influencer deals. Me, the dropout who tinkered with code in basements while they jetted to galas. Truth was, they'd been coasting on my invisible lifeline for half a decade. It started small. Ethan's first flip went bust in 2020. Pipes frozen. Permits stalled. He rented one drunk night. Banks hate new developers. Brooke's brand tanked post-scandal. Sponsorships dried up. Her loft rent loomed. Mom and dad's retirement investments masked maxed cards and a leaky roof. I didn't announce it. I just opened Shadow Fund, my AI app that scans freelance chaos, gigs, royalties, crypto dips, and auto-optimizes cash flow. Users loved it. 50K downloads, venture whispers. But for family, I coded private rules. If Ethan's project accounts dipped below 40% reserves, divert 10% of my royalties. Brooke's agency invoices late, bridge with algorithm-predicted inflows. Parents' utilities red, silent wire. Over 5 years, $450,000 flowed out. Ethan's Tahoe resort stabilized. Brooke's collabs revived. Family nest egg plumped. They bragged about hustle. Clueless their safety nets were my algorithms. That Christmas Jeb flipped the switch. In the dark, laptop glow harsh, I logged in. 1 click per rule. Disable. Confirm. Gone. Shadow Fund chimed softly, like exhaling. Dawn broke with the first ping. 5:47 a.m. Ethan's text. "My Amex just bombed at the jet charter desk. Broker says fraud flags." By 7:12, Brooke agency advance bounced. Clients pulling out. WTF with autopay. Mom's voicemail stacked. Jordan dad's brokerage froze transfers. Roofers demanding cash or lien. I let them pile, brewing coffee as snow melted off my window. Ethan called twice. "Our syndicate deals at risk. Investors smell blood." No accusations yet. Just confusion masking the math they'd ignored. Reports claim family empires crack fastest under cash droughts. Whispers online echoed their panic. But that was just the opening act. What came next would force a room of their own making. Texts turned frantic by noon. Brooke sent screenshots. Overdraft fees killing me. Thought Shadow Fund was bulletproof. Irony stung. They'd glimpsed my dashboard once, called it cute side project. Ethan's empire teetered. A Tahoe permit stalled without his usual miracle infusions. Dad's investor meet in Frisco cancelled. Accounts under audit. Aunt Leela's boutique chain. My quiet boosts faced supplier cuts. I ran trails that afternoon. Locket bouncing. Aunt's words surfacing. Shadows hide strength until light demands it. Each step clarified. No more propping illusions. They'd labeled me charity while thriving on my code. Now reality audited them. But the real storm brewed when they connected dots to me. Day 4, my lobby cam caught Ethan and Brooke. His suit rumpled, her designer bag swapped for tote, buzzing relentlessly. "This isn't funny." Open up Jordan. I watched from my phone mid-line call, heart steady. Ethan's voicemail. "Permits denied. Lenders circling." "You touch my accounts?" Brooke. "My team's quitting. Need bridge loan stat." Group chat exploded. "Family meeting now." I replied once. Thursday. Neutral ground. "Bring proof of your empires." Silence, then compliance. Rumors swirled in my feeds. Family feud spiking views. But this was personal math, not spectacle. And what they walked into would rewrite their script. Thursday, 7 p.m. sharp. The Reno brewhouse hummed under low lights. I claimed the long oak table. Shadow Fund open on dual monitors. Clean graphs. Transaction reverse color-coded by name. Noham, my co-founder, posted nearby. Laptop camouflage. They filed in Ethan. Scowling, Brooke scrolling frantic emails, parents hunched, even cousin Mia trailing. "Cut the games!" Ethan barked, sliding in. "My Tahoe closer's dead without funds. You did this." I spun screens their way. No hacks, no logs. Just stopped my $450,000 Shadow Fund pipeline. Gasps rippled. Brooke leaned in. "Your gig app? That's the charity money, Ethan." "My resorts. Those lucky breaks." Parents paled at mortgage graphs, turning red postcard of "Why hide it?" Mom whispered. I met her eyes. Knew the rewrite. Gratitude to expectation to we built it. Proof scrolled. Ethan's 2022 flood recovery. Brooke's 2023 scandal rebound. Dad's savvy trades. All my diversions. Brooke straightened. "Legally. That's our data. Equity stake warranted." Noah chuckled softly. "Term sheet signed yesterday. SFVC majority buyout." Their diligence flagged every cent. "Your charity case funded it." Ethan flushed. "Revenge porn." "Consequences," I corrected. "You built on fumes I fueled." Mia spoke up. "Used Shadow Fund for college apps. It's genius. Y'all blind." Tension peaked. But numbers spoke truest. No spin beats ledgers. They scattered, shell-shocked, Brooke muttering lawsuits, Ethan vowing cut ties. But pings shifted post-meet. Nia's text. Aunt Jordan, teach me code. Family needs real builders. Investors called. Buyout accelerated. Shadow fund scaled. My loft traded for Vista condo. Ethan refinanced solo. Brooke downsized glam. Parents sold the chalet. No apologies landed. Just distance healing old cuts. Reports claim hidden helpers often vanish richest, but the real win, stepping from shadows they cast. Your family's script, does it star you or fund theirs? Stay till end next time. Truths like these rewrite everything.